So we're going to start our bag. So once you've done your pin cushion, you're going to start to do your drawstring bag. Now, this is what you need to have. You need to have 4 pieces. So these pieces here, we will actually have templates for. So we'll already have these cut out for you to pin on and trace around and cut out your fabric, okay? Because you want to all have different fabric, you are going to have to cut these out for yourself. So what you need is 2 pieces of your top fabric, or the fabric that you want your outside of the bag to be, and then 2 pieces of fabric that you want your lining or the inside of your bag to be. And these need to be the same size. Can you see that these and these are the same size? So when you put them together, they're going to make the outside and then the inside of your bag. You'll also need this piece. Now this piece I'm not cutting a template for. You have to measure this one. This is 20 centimeters by 8 centimeters, and it's going to be the tabs that sit at the bottom of your bag, which you're going to thread your drawstring through so that you can wear it a bit like a backpack. Okay, this tab here will fold in half, and we're going to sew around it, and then we're going to cut that in half to make 2 tabs. Okay, so that one piece of fabric will become your 2 tabs. So the first thing you've got to do is choose your fabric. What do you want your outside to look like? Do you want it to be plain? Do you want to put an applique pattern on it? And I will show you what that means. That is where you sew, like if you were to cut one of these flowers out and then attach that to another piece of fabric with stitching. And I will show you how to do that. And there will be a video for that on your OneNote and in LearnLink. But the first thing you've got to do is decide on your fabric, decide on what it is you want your bag to look like. Whether it's going to be plain with a pattern, or whether it's going to be, you could even tie-dye it if you wanted to. So that is your very first step. Choose your fabric, make sure that it's big enough. Okay, so with the size of your bag, it's 55 centimeters this way, and it's 40 centimeters this way. So your long edge is 55 centimeters, and your short edge is 40 centimeters. And then this, of course, is 20 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Remember, you've got to find a bag or piece of fabric that's this size. If you don't find it, then you're going to have to join bits together so that it makes a bag this size. So you could have a bit of a patchwork thing going on if you wanted to. So if you found smaller pieces, you'd need to join them all together to make the bigger piece. But that's the size you need. So this is going to be my fabric, this is going to be my outside, and this is going to be my inside lining.